इंटिग्रेटेड मॅथमॅटिक्स चॅनलवरती सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत लिनियर डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन अँड इट्स ॲप्लिकेशनवरील 5वं लेक्चर. ओके, जे की आपण इंजिनिअरिंग मॅथमॅटिक्स 3 मध्ये शिकतोय. तर आपलं पुढचं एक्झाम्पल आहे का या लेक्चरमध्ये 8वं एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व डी क्यूब वाय बाय डी एक्स क्यूब प्लस डी वाय बाय डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू कॉस एक्स. So first write given equation in operator d. So we get d cube plus d into y is equal to cos x, and therefore auxiliary equation is d cube plus d is equal to 0. Okay, so using calculator we can easily find root of this equation. I will find manually. So this become d into bracket d square plus 1 is equal to 0. So this implies d is equal to 0 and d square plus 1 is equal to 0. So this implies d is equal to 0 and d is equal to, or d square is equal to minus 1 implies d is equal to plus minus r. So in that way we get roots are d is equal to 0 and d is equal to plus minus r. One root is real and remaining two roots are imaginary. So yc become yc is equal to c1 e raised to 0x due to this real root 0 plus remaining two roots are imaginary in which real part is absent. So in our yc exponential function is absent. So next constant c2 into sine function of imaginary part 1 into x plus c3 cos function of imaginary part 1 into x. So in that way we get yc become power 0 means 1. So we get c1 plus c2 sin x plus c3 cos x. So this is our yc. Now yp become, now yp is equal to 1 upon d cube plus d. yp साठी काय करतो आपण, हा y आहे तसा ठेवायचा, त्याला yp म्हणायचं. हा d चा जो पूर्ण पॉलिनॉमियल आहे तो शिफ्ट करायचा राईट साइडला, तो डिवाइड, आणि राईट साइडचं फंक्शन जे आहे ते आहे तसं राहणार cos x. आता याच्यामध्ये जर आपण d स्क्वेअर च्या ऐवजी आपली केस नंबर 2 या ठिकाणी आपण अप्लाय करू शकतो. तर या ठिकाणी जर डायरेक्ट d स्क्वेअर च्या ऐवजी मायनस a स्क्वेअर आपण रिप्लेस केलं तर ते 0 येते. सो yp is equal to x divided by 3d square plus 1 into cos x, since 5d square y is equal to cos ax plus b is equal to, so this implies yp is equal to 1 upon 5 of minus a square cos of ax plus b. So here a is 1, right? या ठिकाणी a म्हणजे काय, x चा कोएफिशिएंट आहे 1. So a square become 1. So yp is equal to 1 upon d square into d plus d cos x, so which is equal to 1 upon minus 1 into d plus d cos x. So in that way we get, so this implies 5 of minus a square is equal to 0. ओके, या ठिकाणी काय येते, मायनस b प्लस b म्हणजे 0 येते, म्हणजे केस फेल होते. ओके, सो केस फेल. Therefore yp is equal to x divided by 5 dash of d square cos ax plus b. आणि मग त्या केस मध्ये आपण काय करतो, वरती x लिहितो आणि खाली जे d स्क्वेअर चं इक्वेशन आहे त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू d. या ठिकाणी d क्यूब चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आलेला आहे 3d स्क्वेअर प्लस d चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आलेला आहे बरं. आणि आता जर आपण d स्क्वेअर च्या ऐवजी मायनस a स्क्वेअर रिप्लेस केलं, a स्क्वेअर म्हणजे 1 आहे, मायनस a स्क्वेअर म्हणजे मायनस 1 होईल. सो मायनस 1 into 3 मायनस 3 प्लस 1 मायनस 2, 0 येत नाही, म्हणजे आपण केस अप्लाय करू शकतो. सो दिस इम्प्लाइज x divided by 3 into bracket minus 1 square plus 1 into cos x. So in that way we get x divided by minus 3 plus 1 cos x. So we get x cos x divided by minus 2. So this is our y. And therefore y is equal to final solution yc plus yp. So this is equal to c1 plus c2 sin x plus c3 cos x and minus yp is minus x cos x divided by 2. So this is our final answer. Okay, एकदा ऑब्जर्व करा. Now this is our ninth example on shortcut method. Solve d square plus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to e raised to minus 2x upon x square. So first write here auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is d square plus 4d plus 4 equal to 0. Find root of this equation using calculator. So I will factorize this. We get d plus 2 into d plus 2 which is equal to 0. So that means d plus 2 bracket square is equal to 0, means d is equal to 2 repeated. So d plus 2 is equal to 0 means d is equal to minus 2, and due to this square this root repeated twice, and therefore yc become c1 plus c2x. हा रूट जो आहे तो रियल आहे मी दोनदा रिपीट होतो त्याच्यामुळे कॉन्स्टंट आला c1 plus c2x e raised to minus 2x. So this is our yc. Now yp become yp is equal to 1 upon d square plus 4d plus 4 into bracket e raised to minus 2x upon x square is our given function. So I will write this d square plus 4d plus 4 denominator as d plus 2 bracket square into bracket e raised to minus 2x upon x square. And now use our standard method, using standard shortcut method, using 1 upon 5 of d e raised to ax into v. So this become e raised to ax outside 1 upon, replace d by d plus a everywhere into v. V is any function of x. So therefore yp become, apply this in our equation, we get 1 upon d plus a, but here a is coefficient of x in power of e which is minus 2. So replace d by d minus 2 plus 2, this plus 2 as it is, into whole bracket square. This exponential function take it outside and remaining function become 1 upon x square. So in that way we get e raised to minus 2x into 1 upon d square of 1 upon x square. तर हे जे आहे ते कुठल्याही शॉर्टकट मेथड मध्ये बसत नाहीये, तर या ठिकाणी आपल्याला डायरेक्ट याला सिम्प्लिफाय करावं लागेल, कारण डिनॉमिनेटरला फक्त d ची पॉवर आहे. d ची पॉवर 2 म्हणजे डबल इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ 1 upon x square dx. Okay, since d 1 upon d f of x is integration of f of x with respect to x, 1 upon d square means 1 upon d square of f of x means double integration of f of x with respect to x. So here double integration of 1 upon x square. So we get e raised to minus 2x into integration. Use formula integration 1 upon x raised to n dx is equal to minus 1 upon n minus 1 into x raised to n minus 1. So using this formula we get minus 1 upon n minus 1 means 2 minus 1 is 1 into x raised to 2 minus 1 is x dx. So this become minus e raised to minus 2x into integration of 1 upon x is log x. So in that way we get yp, and therefore y is equal to yc plus yp. So which is equal to c1 plus c2x into e raised to minus 2x minus e raised to minus 2x into log x. Given we can take this e raised to minus 2x outside, that means common. So we get c1 plus c2x minus log x is our final answer. Okay. एकदा बघून घ्या, इझिली तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. Now this is our 10th example on linear differential equation using shortcut method. So example is that d square plus 9 into y is equal to x sin 2x. So first of all, write auxiliary equation of this differential equation, which is d square plus 9 equal to 0. Now simplify this for finding the root using calculator. We get roots are plus minus 3i. both roots are imaginary. So yc becomes c1 sin 3x plus c2 cos 3x. Here 3 is the imaginary part of this root. Now yp become 1 upon d square plus 9 into x sin 2x. Okay, just shift this polynomial of d toward right side. We get reciprocal of this polynomial means 1 upon d square plus 9 into function x sin 2x as it is. Now for this function we have one shortcut case. So use this shortcut method. 1 upon phi of d into x into v is equal to in bracket x minus phi dash of d divided by phi of d into 1 upon phi of d into remaining function phi. Phi is a function of x. So using this shortcut method we get yp is equal to in bracket x minus derivative of phi dash of d. Here phi of d is d square plus 9. Its derivative become 2d divided by this polynomial d square plus 9 as it is into outside the bracket 1 upon d square plus 9 into remaining function which is sin 2x. And now here function is sin 2x. We can apply our case using case 1 upon phi of d square into sin ax plus b. So this become 1 upon phi of minus a square into sin of ax plus b. Here condition is that minus phi of minus a square must be non-zero. So using this case we get yp become x minus 2d divided by replace d square by minus a square. Here a is 2, so a square become, here a is 2, so a square is 4. So replace d square by minus a square means minus 4. So we get minus 4 plus 9 as it is, bracket complete, into outside the bracket minus 4 plus 9 into function sin 2x as it is. So in that way we get x minus 2d divided by 5 into 1 upon 5 sin 2x. So take this 1 upon 5 outside which is constant and multiply inside the bracket by sin 2x. So we get x sin 2x minus 2 upon 5 into derivative of sin 2x. Okay, d of sin 2x means derivative of sin 2x. So in that way we get 1 upon 5 into bracket x sin 2x minus 2 divided by 5. Derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x into derivative of 2x is 2 due to composite function. हे composite function है पर sin 2x, sin चा derivative cos and 2x चा derivative 2. So in that way we get 1 upon 5 into bracket x sin 2x minus 4 cos 2x divided by 5. So this is our final yp, and therefore y is equal to yc plus yp. So this is equal to c1 sin 3x plus c2 cos 3x plus yp become 1 upon 5 into bracket x sin 2x minus 4 cos 2x divided by 5. So this is our final answer. हे ऑब्जर्व करा, व्यवस्थित ऑब्जर्व करा आणि याच्यावरची एक दोन एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही स्वतः सोडवण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. तुम्हाला इझिली ते जमून जातील. ओके, थँक्यू.